Always wanted to live at the beautiful Currumbin Creek? Well, here is your golden opportunity. Hi, it's Kirby from LJ Hooker at Currumbin, and welcome to 5/11 Panorama Drive, Currumbin. This tidy, low-maintenance, two-bedroom unit is beautifully positioned less than 200 metres away from the world-famous Currumbin Alley, and makes for the perfect location for paddleboarders, surfers and sun lovers alike. This unit features two good-sized balconies, one in the living room looking towards the creek and the other off the master bedroom taking in the bushland views. The master bedroom is nice and spacious and has a walk-in robe and ensuite. The second bedroom also has an ensuite, and there is also a separate powder room for guests. Panorama Drive is in the PBC catchment zone and surrounded by cafes and coffee shops, just down the way from the Currumbin RSL and the surf club. This property has something for every single buyer in the market. Believe me, this is a golden opportunity you don't want to miss. If you're interested, please give me a call today.